ServiceTitan is built for HVAC companies that want strong control over sales, scheduling, and field operations in one system, while Simpro is built for HVAC businesses that need deeper project costing, asset tracking, and long-term job management. By the end of this, you'll know how ServiceTitan and Simpro compare for HVAC work, where each one performs best, and which platform fits your business depending on how simple or complex your jobs really are. ServiceTitan is designed around fast-moving HVAC service operations. It connects scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoicing, and customer communication in a single workflow. The focus is on helping teams convert service calls into completed jobs quickly, while keeping visibility across technicians and revenue. Simpro is structured more like a job, an asset management system. It goes deeper into job costing, equipment tracking, and multi-stage project workflows. That makes it better for HVAC companies that handle larger installations, commercial systems, or long-term maintenance contracts. The biggest difference is how each system handles work in the field. ServiceTitan treats HVAC jobs as service events that move quickly from booking to completion. It's optimized for high-volume residential service calls like repairs, tune-ups, and emergency visits. Simpro treats HVAC work as structured jobs with detailed cost tracking. You can break work into stages, assign costs to labor and materials, and track profitability more precisely across longer or more complex projects. Scheduling also works differently. ServiceTitan focuses on dispatching technicians quickly, adjusting schedules in real time, and managing high daily job volume. Simpro focuses more on planned work, where jobs are scheduled in advance and tied into broader project timelines. On reporting and business insight, ServiceTitan focuses on operational visibility, like job performance, technician activity, and revenue tracking across service calls. Simpro goes deeper into financial and job costing detail, which helps when margins depend on accurate tracking of labor and materials. For residential HVAC companies that rely on frequent service calls, ServiceTitan usually fits better because it supports speed, sales workflows, and dispatch-heavy operations. For HVAC companies that do more commercial work, installations, or long-term contracts, Simpro offers stronger project and cost control. The key difference is operational focus. ServiceTitan is built for fast service execution. Simpro is built for structured job costing and long-term project management. To choose between them, look at the type of work you do most. If your calendar is filled with short service visits and urgent calls, ServiceTitan matches that pace. If your revenue depends more on large installations or multi-phase HVAC projects, Simpro gives you more control over the details that affect profitability. A simple next step is to break down your last 10 HVAC jobs and label them as service calls or project work. The platform that best fits your majority workload is usually the right long-term choice. If this comparison helped, like the video, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of HVAC and field service software.